So one of the things that I struggle with on my social media is, when you want to link, you want to put your website, you can only put one link, and now you don't know, should I link them to my website, should I link them to my WhatsApp, where do I want them to go? And now you end up with like 4 or 5 different links on your page, because you want to link like the shop, you also want to link your personal page, and you want them to have your social media handles, especially like when you're using LinkedIn, which is something that we also learned from Leader Lucky in terms of prospecting on LinkedIn. And then if you are prospecting there, you obviously want someone to be able to go to your Instagram, probably if you're someone who's posting lifestyle and business. Maybe you want to link them to your shop so that they can buy products depending on what type of a page it is. And most of the time, you can only put one link at a time, and then it becomes difficult to choose. So the beacons that we learned, what it does is it allows you to put more than one link, and then a person, once they have connected with you, they then decide, do they want to go see the website? Do they want to request a call? Because if you remember, Leader Lucky also showed us how to do the jot form, which is something that I did go and try out, and now I have this form, and you can't on every post be like putting the link for the form and asking them to complete the form. But if you have a link in your website that can allow them to, one, see your website, see how to book an appointment, and your other social media handles, it makes it so much easier on your side, because you're not doing too much work in terms of getting people to connect. So what we want to do today is, I just want to show you how to set up that link. Okay, this is something that is very simple. The beacons page is also free. You don't have to pay to access it. So I think that's another nice thing about it. So you can create it for free. So what I'm going to do is, I am going to share my screen. Share my screen. I'm gonna share it just now so that you are able to see it. Okay. So it helps you create a link. I managed to create mine. Of course, you can customize it the way you want, but on that link, you see I've linked everything. So if someone clicks the link in my bio, they can either go to my website, they can request an appointment. If they choose my website, it takes them to my personal website, which is something that I created with Canva as per, the instructions from Leader Lucky in his meeting last week. And then this one, request an appointment, takes them to the jot form, where they can leave their details for me to give them a call back. It also allows them to select a time slot that they are free, so I know when to call them back. And then I've also just linked my social media handles, so that if someone is on Facebook, they can actually get my Instagram, they can get my TikTok if they want. This is the YouTube channel, but for me, my YouTube channel is just 5 a.m. sessions. I haven't uploaded anything other than that. Or it can take them to my WhatsApp chat. So if someone is interested in finding more about what I do, they can then just click the website, and then it takes them to my personal website. And on my website, I just have something simple about me. What is it that I do? What is it that I offer? I offer you to be your own boss. I offer the tools and training, and I offer you earning potential. If you were there in the meeting that Leader Lucky did last week, he did show us a sample of like the Mselekus and other leaders' websites, and I just went there for some inspiration in terms of what is it that I should put. And then at the end, I just put like, some testimonies from some of my team, and then I give them contact details like where my offices are, my email address, or they can give me a call. Alternatively, they can go back to the same link and say, request an appointment, and then they'll just have to leave their name, email address, and phone number. This one is not mandatory, but they can leave their, physical address, and then they just tick, and then they select the time slot for their meeting. So I just want to show you how I did all these links, because it's very nice to have. You see, when they click Instagram already, it takes them directly to my Instagram page. Um, so let me search beacons here. Okay, so this is the app. I saw someone was asking in the chat, what does it look like? This is what it looks like. And then you just go click on it. Well, for me, because I already have created an account, so it's already logging me in. But if you are clicking it for the first time, it will then take you to their page where you need to sign up. So you can sign up, and then you will then come here. Once you are here, you have different options there. I use the first one, the one that says link in bio. Okay, it allows you to set up how you want your page to look. Sorry, you can choose the header that you want. You have different options to see. I selected this one. I uploaded my picture, and then I selected the type of header that I want, but you can choose for it to look like this, or you can choose for it to look like that. It's up to you. That is on the design layout. Then where it says links, this is where you add your links either to your social media or to your website. So if you come here under links, you see I've added the different links to my WhatsApp, my YouTube, my TikTok, Instagram. Then I added my website, and I also added the jot forms. So how I created the website, I used Canva, which is very simple. Like if you go to Canva here, I don't know if you guys already have a Canva account or not. If you don't, you would need to sign up to log into here. But once you are in, you do have this option that says websites, or you can just type website there and search. When you click there, it gives you, a lot of templates in terms of how you want your website to look. Maybe I know I always have my Zoom on 50% because I don't like big words, but let me zoom it so that you are able to see. So you click there on websites, and then, a number of templates come up. Then you decide which one. So maybe you want this one. You can, because there is business websites, you just choose the one that you want. Okay. Once you've selected the template that you want, you then edit it to customize. So if normally I remove this logo, I think I was thinking I should come up with my own personal logo. I don't know. Maybe I'll do that sometime. Then here you just change to your name. Okay. You can put a description if you want. And this image, you can change it by uploading your own image. So you come here under uploads. Do you see under uploads? Then it can take you to upload an image or video. Okay. Then you can go to your photos and then you are able to upload a picture. Okay. Once you've uploaded a picture, you just drag and drop it where there is a picture. So you can just drag and drop, drag and drop. Okay, I don't know if everyone is following me or if I'm moving too fast. I'm not sure. Just let me know in the comments if you're with me. Then your about me, you just type what is it that you want people to know about you. So avoid saying things like, hi, I'm a mom of three and I did this, and tell them about, hi, I help people generate extra income, all of that. Like, say things that are going to interest the person in viewing the website. And then you can also replace these pictures. If maybe there is a page that you don't want, you can select it and, delete. If you delete it by mistake, you can undo. Okay, I see I have messages in the chat. Let me just check. Together, my issue is taking pics. Some people use AI. For example, this picture that I have here, I used the AI to generate the picture. So what you do is you upload your selfies and then you select like a type of picture that you want, and then it can generate a picture for you based on the selfies that you have uploaded. Then you obviously look for one that looks a little bit more like you and less Indianish or whitish and stuff. So that's how I generated this one, because I didn't have a lot of like professional pictures for a website. So you can actually try it that way as well. If you have selfies, I can share with you. I used an app called what do you call this? Remi. I don't know if I'm spelling it correct. I've put it in the I've put it in the chat there. Let me just double check. Yeah, it has like a red logo on it, and it's called Remini or Remini. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's another way to generate professional pictures. It's expensive to pay, so you will have like free trials, like you get a lot of free trials once you sign up. So make sure you make good use of them. So what I did was, when I uploaded those selfies, the first week where I had the free trial, I generated quite a lot of different pictures that I can then once in a while I post, once in a while I then use it for my profile pictures and for the professional websites. So you can actually use that. Then you set up your website. Once you are done, if you look there at the top, you have an option to publish website. I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to delete the one that I already have. But you can then publish your website. When you do that, it creates a link for you for your website. There is a free link, and then there is an option to pay for if you want like a customized link. So mine is customized because I wanted to put my name on it. But if you just want the free link, it is available, you then just use that. For the customized one, I think it's 10 US dollars, which is about 180 rand. It's not that expensive, because then you have the link like for the year. You only renew it in 2025 same time, which means it gives you 12 months. But if you want the free one, then you can work with the free link. Am I still having people, or have I lost people somewhere? So once you've got that link, you would then come and paste it here. So this is my link, networkwithropa.mycanva.site. And then you can then add a description of what your website is about. So I just wrote, transform your financial future, break free from debt, and embrace a healthier, more adventurous life. And then you do have the option to add a picture, or you can leave, you see, like, especially these ones for Instagram and TikTok, if you don't put a picture, it will just have the logo, like the Instagram logo. But you do have the option to just click there, and you can replace the picture. So what I did was I used my profile picture for the website, and then I would put it on as a picture. So if you go on my website, this is the first picture that you see. That's why I used it. If you go on my Instagram, this is my profile picture. So I just did it so that, if someone clicks on the link, when they go to my Instagram page, that is the profile picture, and they know that they are on the right page. I did the same with my YouTube account. If someone clicks there, and it takes them to my YouTube, then that will be the profile picture that they are going to see. So it's up to you how you want to do it. If you just want to leave the YouTube logo, you can do that. And then you do have the option to reorder them. So if you want your WhatsApp to be at the top, you can order it however way you feel comfortable with. And once you are done, it generates a link for you. So this link now, network with raw power, I copy it, then I go on my social media. If you see now, if someone is on my Instagram and they go to my bio, there is the link. So they can click there, network with Ropa, and it's going to take them to this page where they can decide where they want. So they can decide, oh, let me view her website, or let me request an appointment, or let's go to her YouTube channel. If they click on my YouTube channel, it takes them here, and you can see I try to match my profile picture with the handle on that link. It takes them to the 5 a.m. club channel, because my YouTube is all about 5 a.m. I haven't figured out how to do videos for YouTube yet, so I only just upload the 5 a.m. sessions. I think once I start doing personal videos, I will have to create a separate page so that I maintain this one for 5 a.m. sessions. But basically, that's how this link works. So now you can put it on all your social media. You can put it on your WhatsApp. WhatsApp does, if you have WhatsApp business, they do have an option for you to link to put a link for your business. You can even add, if you remember last time we created websites using our FOP 360. So you can add, like, maybe instead of putting Instagram, TikTok, you can have another one that says my shop, and then you put the link for the page for the product. For me, I didn't want to do that because I'm using this for my personal page. The product page, then I will put the one with the shop so that they are able to see the product. But for my personal page, I just wanted to maintain it simple, let them see my website and know what I do. They must be able to make an appointment. And then I linked my other social media handles that are also my personal page, not products page, so that they don't get to see aloe vera all over the place until we've scheduled a meeting. We meet up and then we have a chat, and then I take them through, the products and everything. So for now, they will just have the important information to say, come, let's work together. Let's build extra income through Forever Living products. And then I will get to show them all the products and everything when we meet up, rather than having my profile just talking about aloe vera, aloe vera, aloe vera. It's more about networking. And then once we start networking, maybe you then introduce them to the products depending on how you've connected with the prospect. I don't know if there are any questions. Sorry, any questions? No questions. It means everyone is fine. I like that. Let's see. I have a message in the chat. I don't have any questions, my leader. In terms of some people struggle with what to write. Remember last time we spoke about Chat GPT. So for me, I will just come here and say you are a forever living business owner, or you are a woman in business and you have just created a website, type an intro for your site, and then maybe I say mention women empowerment, personal growth, and unkept income. You can tell it based on what you want your website to be focused on. Then I just say enter, and then it will do like a write-up for me. Then I would then, go and edit it. On my side, I didn't want to have this, but normally I type it in my question because I know it then talks about natural products, it talks about health, beauty, and wellness. And then maybe I can just say, welcome to my page, like that. Then I don't have to mention aloe vera. Okay, so that's how I come up with my intros for my websites, or even you see here I have like some small catchy phrases and all of that. You can get ChatGPT to just write a short intro. So because if someone comes and they see my website, transform your financial future, break free from debt, it sort of like catches them. Now they want to understand, like, okay, what is it that this person does? And then they can then go to uh why is it doing that to me? Then they can go to the website, and then on the website I mentioned that I'm an accountant, and you know I help people build lasting wealth and financial freedom. And then my mission is to help people get free from debt. I think I need to edit so that my sentences don't get cut in the middle. But yeah, so this is something that you can actually use for people to to connect with you. And because you've linked your jot form, I don't know if anyone has completed my form yet. I only published it uh recently. Let me see if I log in. So it should already pick up like responses if people have completed the form. Okay, so no one has completed yet because I can see 0 submissions there. But once people start completing the form, then it will already have like their contact details, the way Leader Lucky was showing us, and then you are able to make contact with your prospects. Okay, so I think that is all for today's session. If there are no questions, no additional comments, I do recommend you to go and, try it out. It's a very nice tool to have, especially if you want to build a professional profile on social media. You want everything to look professional. If you meet someone, you are in a hurry, you just share your link with them and they are able to connect with you on any social media platform. So it's a very good tool to have. It makes life so much easier because one link gives your prospect or it gives your customer all the information that they need. I hope this helped someone. You can go try it out, and if you need any help or if you get stuck somewhere, then we can, figure it out together. These are free tools, so feel free to use them. You don't have to pay anything. I know with our FLP 360, it's free for like 3 months, and then you start paying the $20 for the subscription. But that one gives you wider options because you can track your team, run reports, and all of that. But if you're not yet at a stage where you want to be paying a $20 subscription monthly, you can start with creating a free website for on Canva and then use that to connect with your prospects and your customers.